Hi there guys, and welcome to the watch channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at this watch, which is the Seiko SNE579P, and essentially this is the 2021 Asia Special Edition Seiko Prospex Solar green watch. Bit of a mouthful, but as you can see, the watch dial there has a nice matte green finish to it and is complemented by this green aluminium bezel. The bezel, whilst we're on the subject, does have quite a nice finish and movement to it. It is quite firm and, strangely enough for a Seiko, is quite accurate and sits there bang on the 12 marker. Now the dial does have Seiko's proprietary Lumibright there on it, and it is very, very strong. I'll endeavour to put some pictures up for you now so that you can see it, but don't have any fear about this watch not being able to be seen in the dark or in the depths of the ocean. If it's been subjected to any form of light, then it will shine quite well for some time. As you can see there on the dial, it does say solar, and this watch contains the V157 movement, which is essentially Seiko's version of Citizen's Eco Drive line. So power is absorbed, or solar power is absorbed through the dial and then transferred into energy. And this watch has a power reserve of 10 months once fully charged. A great power reserve there, and adds to, you know, the Prospex element of this watch, which is, you know, reliability, ruggedness, and you know, reasonably good timekeeping. The V157 movement does have a stated power accuracy of there or thereabouts, plus or minus 15 seconds a month, which you know, is about on average for a quartz watch. It's nothing special, but like I say, the solar component really does make it a worry-free experience. You just whack it on and get in the water. The screw-down crown there, obviously protected by those lugs, which will add to the waterproofing. And as you can see, on the date window there is a cyclops, which makes the date stand out quite clearly. Again, you know, there's a couple of people, or you know, people in different camps here. Some will like it, some won't. I think it just adds to the legibility, so I'm not that fussed, but there certainly will be people who will purchase this watch and decide that that cyclops is going to be coming off. But yeah, you know, it is what it is. It makes my life easier, so it stays if it was me. The watch isn't for the faint-hearted. It is 43.5 mils across, and has a thickness of 11.5. I'll show you some pictures of it on the wrist. I don't personally think that it wears too large, but I would say that you know, if you do have a thin wrist, then please do go and try this on at an authorised dealer or a shop before you make that purchase, because it is a dive watch and it's supposed to be, you know, large for a reason, and that is for legibility. So while we're on the topic of shops, just want to say thank you very much to starbuy.com.au for loaning us this watch. Their support is greatly appreciated. And, you know, if you are interested in this watch, I will put a link in the description for you to take a look. They always have reasonable prices on Seiko's compared to the manufacturer's retail. So do go check it out. And if you are interested, then do consider supporting them. The watch does have Seiko's typical double lock clasp, and you do have, well, you can see there, flat end links, or pressed end links, which to be fair is a little bit disappointing. I was hoping that this watch would actually have solid end links, but you know, it is what it is. One other thing I suppose I'm really not that sort of keen about is this this watch's finish. As you can see, the outer part of the links are brushed, and then it has quite a high polish inner link. And you know, if we're talking about a white gold Rolex sub, then fine, you know, you can understand the luxury element to it, but I think it just makes it a little bit chintzy and sort of detracts away from the professional specifications that this watch is purported to hold. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed the review. Like I say, if there are any questions, comments, please do put them down in the bottom of the video. And again, a huge thanks to starbuy.com.au for loaning us this watch. Alright guys, take care. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.